In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange columns in Google Sheets. It's a quick tip, but very useful for organizing your data efficiently. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open your Google Sheets document. If you haven't already done so, navigate to Google Sheets and select the document you want to work on. It's important to have your data in view so you can see the changes as they happen. Once you've opened the document, decide on the column you want to move. Click on the header of that column. For example, if your target is column E, simply click on the E header at the top of your spreadsheet. When you do this, you'll notice that the entire column is highlighted. This action helps to ensure that all the data within this column is selected and ready for the next step. Now, the next step is to move the selected column. Click and hold the mouse button down on the column header that you've just highlighted. While holding the button down, drag the column to the desired new location. If you're moving column E, you might want to slide it over to where column H is. Keep an eye on the border of your columns as you drag. A darker line will appear between columns to indicate where the column will be placed once it's released. Take your time with this, as accuracy is key. If the column doesn't land exactly where you wanted, no worries, you can always adjust it again. After moving column E, let's proceed with column F. Follow the same steps. Click on the column header, drag it to the new position, and watch for that handy dark line that indicates the new placement. This method is the same irrespective of the column you choose to rearrange, making it a consistent technique across your spreadsheets. Rearranging columns in this way is a fantastic feature in Google Sheets that maintains the integrity of your data while giving you the flexibility to organize your spreadsheet exactly how you need it. Whether it's for sorting data to make it more visually appealing or organizing information in a logical order, this simple yet powerful action is a tool that's useful for both casual and professional users alike. And there you have it, a straightforward, efficient way to rearrange columns in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tip helpful in managing your spreadsheets more effectively. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, be sure to check out more of our tech tips to continue enhancing your productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.